Hello. Welcome to the Iowa Land Records e-submission training series. In this segment you will learn how documents are sequenced for recording. You will also learn how to change the order of documents in a group. Let's review the process of creating a group and then adding documents to a group. Start by creating a group and assigning a group name. Then select the county where you wish to have the documents recorded. After a group or container is created in the Iowa Land Records e-submission service, documents are added to the group following a simple process. Basic information about a document is entered into a short form. Then a document image is attached to the form. The Save button is selected to proceed to the next step. The submitter is then asked to review the fees. Then the submitter must decide whether more documents should be added to the group. The Submit button is selected. Work is saved and you will move to the next step. As you add new documents to a group, they are inserted into the group table, and the documents appear in the group table in sequence. The sequence of the documents, from top to bottom, will determine the order in which each document will be processed or recorded. For a group of related documents in a real estate transaction, the order of recording can be very important. Constructive notice is determined based on the date of recording. A mortgage recorded before a deed might not provide the necessary constructive notice. This is an example of an actual group recently recorded. Notice the sequence numbers. But, what if you accidentally add documents to a group in the wrong order? Can you correct this error? The answer is yes, provided you catch the error before the group is sent to the county. This demonstration will show you how. Begin by navigating to the Iowa Land Records e-submission website. Log into your e-submission account with your unique ID and password. For this demonstration, we will again use the Adding Documents demo group. Open the group by selecting the pencil icon. Notice that there are 4 documents in the group. The sequence of the group, from top to bottom by document type, is Other, Groundwater Hazard Statement, Power of Attorney, and Affidavit Non-Transfer. Also notice the up and down arrows. These are active buttons that will allow you to change the sequence of the documents. Observe the message that appears as the hand icon hovers over each arrow. The message specifies the action that will result from selecting the arrow button. In the next portion of the demonstration, the arrow buttons will be selected to change the order of the documents. Notice that the document type Other is now at the bottom of the table. It will now be the last document processed if submitted to the county in this order. Be aware that the e-submission service will remember these changes, even if you select the Cancel button or navigate to a different page on the website. Reopen the group and move the document type Other back to the top. It is now the first document in the sequence and it will be the first to be processed when the group is submitted to the county. Select the Submit Group button to send the group to the county recorder. You now have the knowledge to change the order of documents. In the future, if you add documents to a group in the wrong order, you will be able to fix it with no difficulty. Great job! Here are some key points to review. Documents are processed in the order in which they appear in a group table, from top to bottom. Use the arrows in the group view to change the order if needed. Don't forget to select the Submit Group button to send the documents to the county. Remember, it is the submitter's responsibility to ensure that the documents are submitted in the correct sequence. A county recorder may be able to correct a submission error in some cases, but it is not their responsibility to check the sequence of submitted documents. Thank you for participating in the Iowa Land Records training program. More resources and training information can be found in the tutorials section at iowalandrecords.org/e-submission. For the latest news about activities at Iowa Land Records, please follow us on Twitter at Iowa Land Records. Again, thank you and have a great day.